The friends walked down a dark staircase, remembering what they had heard. Not all that glitters is gold. They carefully descended until they reached a new room. In the center, a golden sphere floated, glowing. Around them were tall mirrors, but something strange was happening with them.
It could be part of the test. But let's remember what we heard. Not everything that looks beautiful is good.
Suddenly, the mirrors began to change. In one, Tomi looked very old. In another, Mia was crying, and in the last, Luca was all alone, without his friends.
What's happening? It's not real, but it feels weird.
Maybe the mirrors are showing us what we fear the most.
We shouldn't worry about this. What matters is not what we see but what we feel.
The golden sphere shone very brightly, so much that they couldn't see for a moment. Then, on the wall, a message appeared. What is true does not reflect, it is only felt.
What is true does not reflect. Maybe it means we shouldn't believe what we see here.
Yes, these mirrors are just trying to confuse us. What matters is what we feel and know in our hearts.
The friends closed their eyes and focused on what they felt, their friendship, the love they shared, and the trust between them. By ignoring the mirrors, the reflections disappeared, the golden sphere faded, and a small golden key appeared on the ground.
It looks like this key is the reward, but what door will it open?
There's only one way to find out. Let's go discover it.
With the key in hand, the three friends moved forward, ready for the next challenge in the Enchanted Workshop.